రీసెంట్గా కృష్ణ బృంద విహారీ సినిమా మన ముందుకు వచ్చింది. మరి ఆ సినిమాలో మనకి పరిచయమైన హీరోయిన్ షర్లీ. సో హౌ ఫుడీ షీస్ తెలుసుకుందాం రండి. హాయ్ షర్లీ.
Hi.
హౌ ఫుడీ ఆర్ యూ?
I think quite foodie.
Quite.
How about you?
I'm a bigger one.
Yeah.
What kind of food you eat regularly?
Ghar ka khana.
No.
Yeah. And then when I used to miss it a lot because my mom doesn't live with me all the time. She lives back home. I would call my parents to ask them how to cook all the food that they used to cook.
Do you cook?
Sometimes, yeah.
How often you cook?
In lockdown, I used to cook every day.
Oh, in lockdown. Everyone used to cook every day.
Yeah, these days I don't get that much time, yeah. But I find it very therapeutic. I like cooking. I don't know. जब अच्छा बन के आता है and you like the taste, it just makes your day like 2-3 times better.
Then what's your favorite food?
I like a lot of things actually. Biryani is my favorite. I think yeah, biryani wins. But I also really like Indo-Chinese. I love street food, pani puri, vada pav, pav bhaji.
There's a big list.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you prefer to eat? A restaurant one or a homemade one?
Homemade.
No.
Homemade.
How food conscious are you?
I don't think I'm very food conscious. No, like I eat everything. Even while shooting. But I actually sometimes when I know I have to lose weight or I have to like come in shape for something, then I become a little more picky about how much I'm eating.
Okay.
And like I'm more conscious about my time frame in between when I eat. But I eat everything. Like
Okay.
normal food. Matlab dal, chawal, sabzi. But thoda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you follow cheat day in your diet? Ever?
Yeah. But cheat days ऐसे नहीं होता. Sometimes if I want to have something, then yeah, pizza, cookie.
Oh. Right. So especially in Hyderabad, which food you like mostly?
I really like the biryani here, and I really like brownies here also. Chocolate brownies, very yum, very yum.
Okay. What's your most favorite cuisine?
My most favorite cuisine. What cuisine is Hyderabadi biryani?
Again the
That.
Hyderabadi one.
Yeah, I think for sure that. That and I really like South Indian food also. Rasam. I don't know how to make it properly, but I will learn one day.
It's better for you to live in Hyderabad itself.
I know.
You'll have a good food.
Yeah, that's what I.
Thank you.
Thank you.